Ever dreamed of bringing your ideas to life? Discover the step-by-step process to create an eye-catching flipbook that will wow your audience. Whether for storytelling, portfolios, or presentations, this guide will turn your visions into reality. No design experience needed. So hello guys and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to make a flipbook in Canva. So all I have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the homepage as you can see. To get started, you have just to sign up here and write in your email address and your password, or you can also find your account by login. Also, you have just to write your email address and your password. So this is the home. You click over home and you will find this page. So ready to unleash your creativity. In this guide, you will learn how to create an engaging Flipbook using Canva's intuitive tools and templates. Let's transform your ideas into a stunning digital experience. So watch this video until the end and follow the simple steps and you will be able to create your own flipbook. So don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. And if you have any question, you have just to let it in the comment section below. So let's get started from the scratch and making together our own flipbook with our ideas. So this is the home page as you can see. So the first step that you have to do is just click over here and search for books like that, as you can see. So when we have the books, so choose the one you want and the one you see that you will be creative with it. So for example, we have here read, weather, thousand lives, or you can just search also for books review. For example, as you can see. So here we have it. Also, you can search about books templates, for example. And there we have it. So you have just to choose the book that you want. For example, if you don't want all these books, you have just to select the one you want. Also, you can click over see all to see all the examples that we have here. And also you can just select here and you select the category that you want, also the style, the theme, and the grade, and also the price here. For example, I will set up the free one and I will click over apply. So once you do that, you will find this. So for example, let's choose this book and we'll click over customize this template. Once you do that, you will find other page which is page of customizing. So here we have it. I will show you how you can do that. So as you can see here we have this book and you have just to add, for example, here the text that you want or the ideas that you want. So I will select first of all the background like that. So let's just select in background here and I will just go to the uploads like that and I will click over the one that I already select here. So let's wait. And here we have it. Right now I will just put it like that. And here we have it. I will just put it like that, as you can see. So for example, right now I will just go to the text and I will click over add heading like that and I'll put it here in the top and I will just choose the size firstly. For example, I will choose, for example, 64 like that. Double right, for example, I will firstly choose the text color. For example, I will choose, for example, I'll choose white like that and I will add, for example, there. And here we have it. So right now I will add a subheading. I will choose also the size, other things here, and then I will just add a text and my ideas here. You can also add a page if you want, and also you can duplicate this one if you want, like that. Click over duplicate page, and here we have it. Also, you can modify the title or the background of your book. For example, choose the background that you want. For example, I will choose this one, or I will choose also this one, and there we have it. Then I will just also select here the text that I want and all these things. For example, I will select also the color. For example, I will select like that, or this color, black, it looks better. So once you just done with that, you have just to share, click over share, and you click over this button here, and you have just to scroll down and you will find this page, this design. You click over simple booklet flip, and you click over here connect. We have a publish your design straight to simple booklet flip. So you click over connect, and you'll find this page. As you can see, you have just to sign up like that, and you write your email address and password, then you get started. And there we have it. As you can see, our success, we've connected. Let's export your Canva design and make a flipbook. So click over export, and you click over here save, and let's wait for a moment. Here we have prepared your design, as you can see. So let's wait for it, and you click over go to your home page, and you'll find it like that. Here we have it. Let's take over for books. So here we have our books. You click over here, as you can see, and here we have how it looks after clicking over it. And here we have how it looks. So we have just to write whatever you want here, and you get started. So this is how it works with creating a flipbook on Canva. So it's very simple. You have just to get started, and you have to follow the steps, and it will just success with that. And there you have it. You have successfully created a style flipbook in Canva that brings your ideas to life. Don't forget to share your masterpiece and let your creativity shine. Well, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design tips and tricks. Happy flipping! So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video. So you have just to follow the steps, and you will success with that. So have a day of design and creating a flipbook.